वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक। आप देख रहे हैं आज पाकिस्तान और आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एक स्पेशल कॉन्वर्सेशन। यू नो, आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर विद कॉर्पोरेट कॉफी व्हिच वाज मोर अबाउट स्पीकिंग टू कॉर्पोरेट लीडर्स, द मूवर्स एंड शेकर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तानी इकोनॉमी, और उनसे पूछें कि उनकी नज़र में जो विजन होता है, जो स्टेक होल्डर्स के बारे में ख्याल होता है, वो किस तरह आगे बढ़ता है। यानी इज इट मोर टू डू विद इम्पैक्ट, इट इज ओनली अबाउट बिजनेस, और हाउ आर दीज कॉर्पोरेशंस। क्योंकि अभी मैं हाल ही में एक और स्टडी देख रही थी एंड आई लव दैट कैंपेन, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट कंफर्ट। उन्होंने कहा कि अगर आप देखें जिंदगी के तकरीबन 9 लाख घंटे आप अपने काम में गुजारेंगे एक रेगुलर प्रोफेशनल स्पैन में। सो इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी एंड इफ यू डोंट बिलीव इन द विजन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यू आर वर्किंग विद, ये टाइम बहुत मुश्किल हो सकता है। और वैसे भी लोग कहते हैं कि आप नौकरी नहीं, आप एक एनवायरनमेंट को, एक बुरे बॉस को, एक बुरी टीम को छोड़ते हैं। तो आइए आज मालूम करते हैं वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मल्टीनेशनल FMCG कंपनीज इन पाकिस्तान, हाउ हैव दे रिस्पॉन्डेड टू द पेंडेमिक, हाउ हैव दे रिस्पॉन्डेड टू द चेंजिंग बिजनेस क्लाइमेट। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं द CEO ऑफ PNG पाकिस्तान, आदिल फरज साहब। अस्सलाम वालेकुम आदिल।
वालेकुम सलाम, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी।
इट इज सच अ प्लेजर टू हैव you here। और सबसे पहले जी मैं शुरुआत करना चाहूंगी बिकॉज आई थिंक इफ आई लुक एट द लास्ट 5 years people have been talking about inclusivity, diversity at work, equality at work, and I've been a part of 2 of your initiatives which is an annual thing, We See Equal। How does PNG see equal? यानी ये जो equality within the organization, इसको आप कैसे propagate करते हैं?
It's a very good question, very close to our hearts। We approach this with a pillar called equality and inclusion। I'm very proud to tell you that in our head office in Karachi, 40% strength of the office is females, and I'm even prouder to tell you that उसमें से 50% जो PNG पाकिस्तान की leadership team है, that is females। I would like to tell you that Shafia Nasir is our communications leader, Amar Abbasi is our government relations and legal leader, Isna Naseem is our information technology leader, and Rabia Nabil is our analytics and insights leader. So this is one leg. The other leg is a pillar called Limitless। So this is people with disabilities। So what we are doing is that we are creating very inclusive, very productive workplaces and policies which are enabling people with disabilities at our even the manufacturing plants that we have in Pakistan to make sure that they are very productive at work।
Right.
So I think this is how we have approached it. This is a topic which is very close to our heart, and we hope that inshallah we'll continue to make progress in this।
Adil sir, you've been, your journey with PNG spans over 20 years, और इसमें आपने बड़े उतार चढ़ाव, हर तरह के क्लाइमेट्स देखे हैं, दुनिया ने रिसेशन देखी है, पेंडेमिक देखा है। मुझे बताएं कि हैविंग वुमेन इन की लीडरशिप पोजीशन, जैसे आपने खुद कहा कि 40% ऑफ योर टॉप लीडरशिप कंप्राइजेज ऑफ वुमेन, इससे क्या आपके विजन में, आपके डे टू डे ऑपरेशंस में, द वे यू अप्रोच द बिजनेस, उसमें क्या फर्क आता है टू हैव वुमेन देयर?
देखिए, आई एम अ फर्म बिलीवर that the right women representation at the right decision making levels improves the quality of the decision making and hence the business results।
Right.
And we have seen this over the years that as the representation has continued to go up, the business and the organization results have come in tandem also। And I think that is one big reasons that we are supporting this। What we have done also in the last few months as well is that to make sure that we are making the workplace even more accommodating and more inclusive for women, we have introduced a 6 months maternity leave. But at the same time, we have also introduced a 2 months paternity leave as well, right? Because when it comes to inclusiveness, I think we would like to believe that both the males and the females deserve equal chance, not only at the office, but also at the house, to raise a beautiful family and to be the most productive at work also।
I can't help but ask, लेकिन ये जो gradual and very swift inclusion of women था, how have the men responded? क्या उनको कभी have they ever felt threatened? एक मैंने बड़ी अजीब सी बात मुझे लगी थी, लेकिन बहुत सारी कंपनीज ने इस पर्सपेक्टिव से भी उनको हेड ऑन लेना पड़ा कि at times when we talk about inclusion, when we talk about diversity, people feel that women are ceremoniously being promoted, और उनको वो पोजीशन सिर्फ इसलिए मिल रही क्योंकि वो खातून है और खातून कार्ड इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। आपने कभी इस तरह के रवैयों को, पर्सपेक्टिव्स को फेस किया, एंड व्हाट हैज PNG डन टू सॉर्ट ऑफ टेक दैट अवे?
I think I have to tell you that the overarching principle remains to drive merit।
Yes.
And I think if you look at from that ambit, I don't think this problem comes in your face। Both males and females have an equal opportunity to succeed, but I think given the life stage cycles that our females go through, I think at some point you will have to be more accommodating to understand the needs, and but at the same time I'm very, very confident that all our males have the equal opportunity also to succeed at workplace.
अच्छा, अगर हम पेंडेमिक की तरफ देखें, उससे पहले एजिलिटी, वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, मैटरनिटी लीव वर सीन टू बी वेरी विमेन स्पेसिफिक इश्यूज, लेकिन लॉकडाउन के बाद हमें पता चला कि हर एक को घर से काम करना पड़ सकता है, एंड नाउ इट्स बिकम मोर ऑफ अ जेंडर बायस से हट के एक प्रॉब्लम, यानी एक इशू बन चुका है. एंड हाउ आर यू कमिंग बैक टू वर्क, क्योंकि बहुत सारी जगह ये कॉन्वर्जेशन पे बड़ी राइप है आदिल साहब कि नाउ पीपल हैव बिकम यूज्ड टू ऑफ द hybrid model. They don't want to come back, neither do they want to stay at home. तो वो कुछ मिली-जुली इसका एक solution चाह रहे हैं. How are you addressing it?
I think the safety and health of employees will remain the paramount principle.
ठीक है.
We would like to remain very flexible on what is the right way to come back to the office, and also then as we proceed, what does the future office looks like. Again, the principle of health and safety will remain paramount. But at some point in time, we will end up defining what the new flex environment in the office looks like. And we are in the process of this discussion. And I hope to see going forward a very safe and a very inclusive office space where everybody feels safe to work.
Adil sir, what about mental health? क्योंकि हम सब ने देखा कि 2 साल जब ऑल्दो हम अपनी घर की सेफ्टी में थे, लेकिन बहुत सारे फेयर्स है, फेयर ऑफ द पेंडेमिक, फेयर ऑफ द वायरस इटसेल्फ, हेल्थ के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, इकोनॉमिक डिस्ट्रेस. हाउ हैज पीएनजी स्टेड इन टच विद देयर टीम मेंबर्स टू मेक श्योर कि जो हम स्ट्रेसेस हैंडल कर रहे हैं और जहनी सेहत, आपकी इमोशनल हेल्थ भी उतनी ही इम्पोर्टेंट हो?
Again, it's a very good question. Again, something which is very close to our heart. I think during the entire pandemic, while everybody was hard at work, was the most productive self, but we made sure that all our function leaders, all our senior leaders are in touch with everybody in the organization. They are making sure that people are taking time out, because what this work from home also did is that there was not really an ending time of the day. The meetings were becoming endless, right? So अगर आपने कोई छोटी सी भी बात करनी है, so you have to reach somebody on the phone or on an internet call.
True.
And I think because of that one-to-one connection, those relationships in a safe environment, trying to meet in a very small group, making sure that it's safe, but the one-to-one interaction continues. I think those kind of initiatives have really helped people to remain healthy in their relationships. And I'm hoping that as we come out of this lockdown period, in a way, coming back, people will be more confident that it's safer.
Right.
And I'm already starting to get response from our younger organization that coming back to the office, those interactions are already starting to make a lot of difference in their lives.
आदिल साहब, ये तो सारी बात होगी हमारे आपके इंटरनल कस्टमर्स की, आपकी कोर टीम की. नाउ लेट्स ऑल्सो, जिनसे सबसे ज्यादा मजबूत आपका रिश्ता है वो आपके कस्टमर्स हैं. पीपल हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट इकोनॉमिक डिस्ट्रेस, इन्फ्लेशन की बात की जा रही है, लोगों के लिए गुजारा, रोजमर्रा की चीजें मुश्किल हो रही हैं, एंड योर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड पीएनजी ब्रांड्स आर पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ आवर लाइफ, बहुत जरूरी हैं. तो आप फील कर रहे हैं, व्हाट इज योर इनसाइट के लोगों के लिए जो मुश्किलात हैं, आर दे आस्किंग फॉर रिड्यूस प्राइसेस, आर दे आस्किंग फॉर सेविंग्स, क्या रिस्पॉन्स है मार्केट का इस वक्त?
जी, we operate Sidra in categories where performance drives brand choice. I think a superior product delivered with superior execution eventually drives the category growth. And I think जब category grow करती है, so this drives the value for our retailers, and that's what eventually drives the economic cycle. I think we will remain committed to that principle, because since our products, अगर आप hair care में ले लें, Head and Shoulders, Pantene, Herbal Essences, Pampers diapers, Always sanitary pads, I think these are daily use, daily need products. They impact the life of so many people every day in Pakistan and globally. And I think we'll have to make sure that they remain available, because from a health and hygiene standpoint, these are important. But also, they continue to provide the right performance and value that our people deserve. And I think as long as people feel that this product delivers the right performance and the right value, I think they'll continue to choose that product.
Some very real problems are coming up. जिस तरह हमने देखा कि पिछले 2 सालों में लॉजिस्टिक्स, दुनिया भर की जो सप्लाई चेन्स हैं वो अफेक्ट हुई. फिर आने वाले दिनों में भी अगेन हैव एन एनर्जी क्राइसिस लूमिंग. सो हाउ आर यू फोरकास्टिंग द बिजनेस? हमारे पास दोनों तरह के फिगर्स एंड फैक्ट्स आते हैं. सम पीपल सी द ग्लास इज हाफ फुल, कि पाकिस्तान के लिए अगले 2-3 साल बड़े मैसिव ग्रोथ के होंगे, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ ये रियलिटीज भी हैं. हाउ आर यू फोरकास्टिंग बिजनेस?
I think as a foreign investor, we are very confident in Pakistan's future. We have invested significantly, and going forward, we have plans to invest more. We will continue to hire the top talent from Pakistani universities. So we are very confident. I think as an investor in Pakistan, it's always prudent to take a long-term view.
True.
And I think if you take a long-term view, I think that also does not only deliver near-term priorities, but it also really clarifies the long-term strategy as a company. So I think we are very confident of the future, and we feel that Pakistan has a very bright future ahead.
That's music to our ears, आदिल साहब. लेकिन आखिर में बिल्कुल मैं चाहूंगी, जिस तरह हम बात करते हैं कि सबसे मजबूत रिश्ता आपके कस्टमर्स के साथ है, and a majority of them are women. जिस तरह आपने VC equal within the organization की बात की, what would be your message to women across Pakistan, especially homemakers, people who use your product and otherwise would like to know, Kesha, what is the vision behind it, and if there's one message you could leave them with?
I think women are the backbone of our society. We need to find every opportunity to help and support them, both at workplace and at home, and we will remain committed to that cause.
As one of your brands says, fight like a woman.
Absolutely. Play like a girl, fight like a woman.
Absolutely. Love that thought. बहुत शुक्रिया आदिल साहब हमारे साथ मौजूद होने के लिए. This was a fireside chat with the CEO of P&G Pakistan. I hope that you got out of it as well. एक छोटा सा break लेते हैं and we'll be right back.